Mining dump trucks are off-road dump trucks and are key transportation equipment in open-pit mining processes. They are suitable for intermittent mining operations in large, open-pit coal mines, iron mines, non-ferrous metal mines, and quarries, and can better meet users' requirements for high reliability, high safety, cost reduction, and efficiency improvement. With their combination of durability, efficiency, and performance, the unit dump truck provides cost-effective operation and long-term value to users.